بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 31. Today our topic is how humans affect animals and their habitats. As we had read, habitat is the natural environment in which a particular animal or plant lives. So today we read how human can affect animals and their habitat. Humans can disrupt habitats by changing them. This stunt can disrupt a whole ecosystem. Ecosystem can vary in size. They can be very small like a puddles or very large like a forest. Ecosystems are of different size. Some are very small like puddles. Puddle means a small pool of water, especially of rainwater, and very large like a forest. So, when land is cleared in order to build a house, this can have when land is cleared in order to build a house. This can have an impact on a large number of plants and animals. Deforestation can affect large number of plants and animals. Deforestation can affect large number of plants and animals. Now what is deforestation? Deforestation means cutting off trees unwisely. And why we cut trees? We cut trees to build houses, to make furniture, to make school, etc. So when we cut trees, what will happen? For example, small animals lose their homes and their sources of water. They need to find food and shelter elsewhere in order to survive. So, when we cut trees, the small animals or birds lose their homes. So, they migrate to find food and shelter in order to survive. In Pakistan, some animals are in danger of becoming extinct. These endangered animals need our help to protect them. And how we can protect them? We can protect these from extinct to stop hunting of these animals. These are some endangered animals: mountain sheep, Asian black bear, mountain weasels, and forest dormouse. So we can protect these animals from extinct to stop hunting of these animals. To stop hunting of these animals in Pakistan. So students, in today's lecture we read that humans affect animals and their habitats. First we read that ecosystems are of different size. Some are small like puddles and some are very large like forest. Deforestation can affect large number of plants and animals. Then we read what is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting off trees unwisely. And we cut trees to build houses, to make furniture, to make schools, etc. So when we cut trees, the small animals or birds lose their homes, so they migrate to find food and shelter in order to survive. And then we read some animals are in danger of becoming extinct, and we can protect these from extinct by to stop hunting of these animals. To stop hunting of these animals. Now your homework is do reading of page 31 and underline difficult words and write down in your rough notebook. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz. See you next time.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.